How to fix new flashlight not working on iPhone iOS 18. Let's get started. Hey everyone, if you're experiencing issues with your iPhone flashlight not working after updating to iOS 18, you are not alone. But don't worry, I have got a few quick fixes to help you get that flashlight shining bright again. First up, what you can do is give a fresh restart to your device. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General. Now scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you'll see the option of Shutdown. Click on that. You'll get the slider. Now slide that icon to the right. With that, your phone will be turned off. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back again. With that, your problem might be resolved. If still you are getting the issue, what you can do is check for software updates. Click on the option Software Update. If you find any new updates over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. If these solutions doesn't work, head back, scroll down, click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset all settings. Now enter your phone's passcode over here and go through the process. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this way you can easily fix flashlight not working after iOS 18 update. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.